Hey everybody, welcome back to Keep 60 Hotshot Adventures. Kinda got an unofficial contract with the guy for moving boats. This guy hooked up, dropped this off a while ago. I really don't like these cables, but oh well. He got it rewired up because the last time I took it did not have lights, so I got some nice Harbor Freight lights, wireless lights. Checked all this out. I always add for at least boats, I always add a strap there. I already went around, did all my pre-trip and checked the tire pressure, checked the lights. Added extra straps here and there because it stops the boat in the back from bouncing. At least on the these roads. Got the key to the thing is zip tied up there. Everything else looks like the way I picked it up the last time I grabbed it. So I just wanted a quick video that a job from a load board turned into a regular customer now. So he doesn't have to get on the load board himself and try and find somebody else to do it. At the moment, so far this is my second job with him, and making good. Things going well. Rates are good. We agreed upon a price, and so we're gonna hit the road. We've got about a 2.5 hour drive ahead of us. Before I hit the road, I gotta put on my plate. Almost forgot. So I'll catch you guys later. Got my zip ties there for the plate. So, thanks for tuning in.